Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Subby, full guide step by step clearly. First, download the Subby app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create your account using your email address. Follow the prompts to set up a secure password. After signing in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard. Explore the main features available to you. Locate the budgeting section in the apps menu. Click on it to start your budgeting journey. Input your monthly income from all sources. Make sure to be as accurate as possible for effective budgeting. Next, identify your fixed expenses. These include rent, utilities, and loan payments. Input these amounts into the designated fields. Now, list your variable expenses. This includes groceries, entertainment, and transportation. Estimate an average amount for each category. Add these figures into the app to keep track. Once you've entered all expenses, Subby will calculate your total expenditures. Compare your total expenses against your monthly income. If your expenses exceed your income, you'll need to make adjustments. Review categories where you can cut back without sacrificing essential needs. Consider using Subby's suggestions for budget-friendly alternatives. After adjusting your budget, set realistic savings goals. They can be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, like retirement. Input your savings goals into the app for easy tracking. As the month progresses, regularly update your expenses in Subby. Make sure to categorize each expense accurately. Review your budget weekly to ensure you're staying on track. If you notice any overspending, adjust your categories as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.